Hi, and welcome back to the Bad Back Gardener. In today's video here we're going to be digging up the potato harvest from our raised bed. I got this 16-foot bed, and then I got a little probably 4-foot section in another bed that I plant the potatoes in. I've harvested a little bit already just for like eating a meal or two. I got about 7 pounds of potatoes. Don't know if anybody's seen the post I put on Facebook, but I found one for the Disney fans that looked like a hidden Mickey. But so I got about 7 pounds so far, but I want to dig up the rest here and get them stored for the winter. Hopefully we get a good crop with that. It's late October now, and pretty much the garden is hanging on, even though we've had some cold nights that have been, we've gotten frost and we've gotten 32-degree nights. But I'm thinking the black mulch around my raised bed have created a little bit of a different climate here, just to maybe raising the temperatures a few degrees during those nights. It's given off enough heat because my tomato plants, I've got them still growing. I'm still harvesting tomatoes yet, and my pepper plants are doing pretty good. I've had some of them covered, but even the ones that haven't been covered are still growing. I'm getting some cilantro and some onions out of it yet, so I'm still producing a little bit out of the garden. Not a ton of stuff, but besides peppers, I got a lot of peppers here. But we're hoping to get a good harvest of the potatoes for this year. So we'll get started digging that up. I don't know if I'll film the whole thing because digging potatoes isn't all that exciting, but I'll show you what I end up with at the end of the video here. So stay tuned. Okay, so out of the 16-foot bed, I filled the basket there. As you can see, it's pretty heavy. So I'm happy with the harvest. I didn't get what I call a whole bunch or a ton of tomatoes, but a lot of the tomatoes I got were a real nice size for easy peeling and baked potatoes and stuff like that. So I'm happy with what I got out of that basket. I got one little section over in the other part of the garden, and I will dig up, and then at the end here we'll show you the final harvest here. So I'll go do that and catch up with you later. Okay, we moved from the garden back up to the garage. It got dark on me just as I was finishing up harvesting. So ended up with this basket full here from that 16-foot section of the bed. There's a couple different kind of potatoes in it. And then from the little 4-foot section that I had in the garden, the other part of the garden, I had this old grapefruit bag, and I filled it up. Got a nice full basket, some really nice potatoes out of that section there. That's the third different kind of potato that I planted. But those did real good too. So I'm going to weigh them, and I'll show you the weight. But not too bad of a harvest for the $3 or $4, maybe $5 I spent on potato seed. Did pretty good. So that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Catch up with me on Facebook. You can also email me at bbgardner@zoominternet.net. And as always, if your back ain't hurting, you ain't working.